guys, Jared from One Up Reviews, and today we're a sneaker review and unboxing of the Air Jordan 1 Retro High Stealth Whites. Before we get into this review, guys, if you're new to our channel, remember to hit that subscribe button, hit that notification bell so you never miss any of our latest reviews. Slap that thumbs up. We want to see those likes. It helps us greatly. Drop some love in the comment section below. We try our best to reply to every single comment that's thrown our way. I just want to take this time and opportunity to thank our subscribers. New and old, without you guys, we can't do this. So thank you. Let's go. So today we've got a look at the Air Jordan 1 Retro High OG in the Stealth White colorway. We got these in the UK size 7.5, it's European 42, and this US men's 8.5. So this is not an OG colorway, but it takes a lot of inspiration, obviously, from the Air Jordans, and it reminds you of the heritage in regards to blocking, color blocking, which I'll show you when we do the unboxing, and which we'll do now, so we'll just get into it. But before we reveal, the box itself comes in this dope OG, well, it's not OG, you see a lot of the Air Jordan 1 boxes coming in this box, but this time it is in the grey and white colorway, just to, you know, because the shoe itself is grey and white. Here it is. So these don't come laced up. We had to lace them as soon as we open them, because it just looks better that way, doesn't it? Don't you think? And I don't want to be doing a review with like it being not laced and the laces just, you know, flailing them everywhere. So here they are for you. So as always, we'll start with the outsole. So this outsole is an all rubber outsole, probably the greatest traction padding of all time. Typical Air Jordan 1, and it's in this grey colorway right there. Midsole unit, again, you've got essentially a rubber cupsole, but you've got an air unit encapsulated at the heel, and the upper is made out of all leather materials. It is good. It's very nice and soft. You can kind of see the supple. It does seem different though. So if you look at the differences between the right and the left, so at the toe box on the right one, it looks very supple, whereas on the left, it just looks more normal. It's not like tumbled like it is on the right. So there's some QC issues in regards to this sneaker. It might have been built, this right shoe might have been built in another factory, and this left one was built in another one in another country, maybe. Who knows? But yeah, that's one of the main gripes I have with this sneaker, is the quality control in regards to the leather being used. Other than that, the leathers are pretty, I wouldn't say identical, because you can kind of see it on the swoosh as well, right there. So the right, you can see the tumbled effect, and the left just looks like a normal leather, which is a shame, because, you know, you want, if you're paying so much for a pair of sneakers, you want them to be the best quality. You know, the Jordan 1 is probably the greatest sneaker of all time, and what you want is the best materials. You want it to be in its best shape, and you want it to be at least identical, which is a shame. But hey ho, here we go. These are still going to sell out because they're an Air Jordan 1. So with it being the high OG, it's kind of a more straighter cut on the shaft here at the back, as opposed to the other OGs, the retro ones. So we've done, it's like the white 85s, it's kind of like that, similar-esque in regards to the height. The tongue, very nicely padded, laces, so you've got this grey lace, and it also comes in some white laces that's here, and like a little cardboard box. Tongue itself being padded, you've got, so this is a bit different because obviously you got the normal, it's like a fabric tag there, and it's stitched on to say the Nike Air. It doesn't come off well using this little leather patch that they've used instead. Kind of looks out of place, but again, it's just these little details that I think Jordan Brand need to address. But this is a nice touch. So at the back here it says quality inspired by the greatest player ever, and there's a little picture of a GOAT there. So obviously Michael Jordan is the GOAT of basketball. And what's a bit different is that in the inner, you can see this microfiber material here. It's like a microfiber suede. It's a good thing that at the time of this recording, we are here in autumn or fall in the UK. It's October, and I'm not going to be sweating whilst I wear this, so you're not going to see some sweat stains there, which is a shame, but it might be comfortable. I'm not sure. We'll show you when we do the on feet. Insole, you got the Nike Air insole. It's a foam insole, like a lot of the Air Jordan 1 silhouettes are now. On the lateral side, you've got the Wings logo. It's embossed, whereas opposed, like, you know, the others are usually painted on. And the color blocking, so the blocking of this, it just reminds me of the Air Jordan 1 Heritage Reds, or for those high beasts watching, and we know you're watching, it's kind of the same as the Travis Scott Fragment Air Jordan 1 collaboration. The highs, and the lows, not the lows, the highs, it is the highs. So you got the white blocking there and the hits of grey, so you got the grey at the toe box, the back, the Wings logo and the swoosh right there. I'm not mad at the colorway, it's very clean. As I mentioned, this is a new colorway for Jordan brand. The only problems I have with the sneaker are the quality control. Like, it's a shame if you're paying up to 180 quid for a pair of trainers. You want there to be consistency across both shoes. Unfortunately, there isn't on this. But as I mentioned before, with it being an Air Jordan 1, it's still going to sell. There's resellers in the marketplace, high beasts in the marketplace. We see you. Big shout out to you if you're a high beast though, you know, wear what you want. You can wear these. With all that said, apart from these little bits of quality control issues that I have personally, it is a not bad looking shoe, and the color blocking is clean, it's easy to wear, and I'll show you what they look like on feet. So roll that footage of me trying these on. When it comes to the fit, guys, I recommend that you get your true to size Jordan fit, or well, it's the same as Nike. But if you want a more snug fit, you go half a size down. So yeah, if you want it more snug, I'm just rambling on. These look pretty cool on. Very clean, as I mentioned. The only thing is, at the back of my mind personally, is the quality control. You can see right there between the levers, but you can barely see it when you're looking up from top down. But still, I just know it. But that's me being really critical on Nike or Jordan brands. At the end of the day, these look really clean on, and that's what you're here for anyway. You want to see what sneakers are good and what we recommend here at One Up Reviews. So these are highly recommended because they're Jordan 1s. But if you're like me and you want consistent, good pairs, great quality for sneakers, maybe this isn't for you. Thanks guys for watching. Remember to like, comment and subscribe. Follow us at One Up Reviews with a Z at the end. Until next time, peace.